Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ki nong penyait ia ka Cherry Blossom Festival kila pensyai baka Jingpynkut haga Sngi Blei kamdei ka Blei Khnang nrei ka dei ka Jingpynkut ka bajarang khat. Uba Jason Manor uba pek ia ka Jingpenyait ia ka ne ka tamasa ulaong ba haba khot da kinong ruai ki ba pau haga perthai haban pediang ia ka Sngi bagi bu maki namar baki don bun ki jinglai chakaleng ki ri ka perthai lani ki tur jong ki kum ta haba kila bu tarik hi haban pediang namar lait nang ta kinom lait namar baki don jinglai chakiwei ki jakaru ulaya thu bahaga ni Cherry Blossom Festival kin don bun ba ki banwan na keleng ki ri ka perthai bat kathong jong ka ni ka festival hi ka long ban ra ya ka nam jong ka Meghalaya ban iron san ya ki reu don sap lani ki artist ki banaga ni ka jala bakin pau ha ka perthai barok ka wei om bakin shisakut tang ha jala la jong
mental Sngi la shift yang so saya pada ni berbahagia pada saya kapsol tu soft long di kami ke besok ketika sampai nama ketika cakap bahwa infrastruktur ke Hamduna di yang pemerintah ni dan uphold ki campsite operators ke bengila tayap ki campsite operators bawa kita dan kumba sampai ki tent on an average di 2000 tents cilalong available kita cakap bayar kemasan buat ke venue cuma festival ke ya ke parking ru ni kan penting sikit ba ke parking ru ke hek mentah miswa kudu hidup palong ke N7 itu kalau pun palong ke N7 ke parking capacity ke ditang sahaja mentang yang ada hendri saja ini ngidang ilek buat penkiu shoot sa mulai sahaja ke cakap kita ni ngidang ikram kita cakap untuk permission kita nak penyadap nanti kita ni kita ngihap pendap mentang ngihap Sngi surat ini yang kita light yang nama tadi bangun safe kalau pakai gitu baru di sharing sa penni baru yakin di parking spots kita kila akan book lupa online sebab kita kamsuk mensim kita nak stick dan kamsuk banwat dia kata parking kila ada lupa designated spot parking yo kan pak kali lagi lain kini kita berke di kila akan kali kita kita kalau kali harum nak bayar check no kiya man kasni kihar man kali sipo Sngi ai kahar no kita kijing supo jenggut bakla jo ki breu jumpa ba tingi sipo kan kentu kita ba ba ya katu ka jing zaman kan ni ya katu ka Sunday issue katu ka decision ka ba mission purely based on logistical and operational factors ni book yung international artist ba he ba ke lagi international artist ki ba he we want to pitep hi ni mlaban bo tri ko ni ting nama ba it depends on the tour because they're touring ki ya Syara Southeast Asia ki ai ni kita tarik pergi lah dia tarik ke New York kita harus ke Sunday kamre ke ba ni bo khana ke Sunday ni kam perkat ya ka ni supo ba kita ki balong affected ya kan decision juni ban bo ya kan ke Sunday tanpa tadi baru kada misinterpretation of the narratives namar ba ki snow ba kadlongka divisive narrative kamre belum entah ni nilai ni asal menkiu ya ke brand jongka media menkiu tourism it's purely cultural and it's purely for promotion of tourism and also pushing the brand of Meghalaya on the international mapping di kanam jong Meghalaya mentak lah ya bah through the festival circuit yang no ya kadi lain jong bagi festival promotion and production ni dan benta bat ki promoters from all over the world baru khait aktif ni di mano di ngapa ruban pentep ba kini ki festival promoters kum napo electric daisy carnival napo America kum napo S2O festival Taiwan napo S2O festival Bangkok napo Ultra Music Festival Taiwan all of them are part of Cherry Blossom because we want to link our artists we want to push our artists we want to give our artists exposure into the international platform. The idea behind this is that you see we've been promoting music and artists in Shillong for more than 15 years almost 15 years. If the crowd is not moving we have to move the artists so Cherry Blossom Festival with the help of the government with the support of our Honourable Minister and Cyril we are able to do all these things for the promotion of our local talent. So I urge the people not to we empathize with your emotions and with your feelings, but we don't intend to create these divisive narratives. This is a festival for all the people of Meghalaya. This is a festival for everyone. It's purely secular. It's purely inclusive in nature because we want to unite everybody through this festival. And that's the main message that I want to convey through the event management team of Rockscape.
Tickets for venue? Can we get tickets?
Pila ban yo apo venue tang ba let's say ngatrai mila ban kampan ban pingat lara pintiet lupa. Em kasi long ta ki dan ki phase 1 ki dan ki phase 2 last minute ki kam ram pingat ki ka festival promotion strategy ko ta. PE kani ka Cherry Blossom Festival fin dapat ka programming nei ka pher bahana ki international festivals. International festivals they have multi stages with different genres. And they hangi ka concept of Cherry Blossom Festival ka pher. Mentang idan multi stages, but not for multi genres. We have multi stages for multi-disciplinary activities. Kung ka main stage kadang purely live music. Cherry Blossom stage kadang purely kini ki activities ki in connection with the youth, with the indigenous trends of the youth like fashion, like cosplay, ki DJs, ki contests, ki choir competition. And then we have another stage which is for the budding artists, which is called the Dome. And this is a different concept because this is a trend that has started from Europe and now it's catching wave all over the world in different entertainment venues, in different entertainment nightclubs. Okay, we are replicating this in Cherry Blossom. And they divide it into stages based on genres. We are keeping something for everyone. So like day 1, we are attracting the Bollywood crowd. Day 2, we are attracting the pop crowd. Day 3, we have Ronan Keating and Jonas Blue, and we're attracting the slightly older crowd. So there's something for everybody. This is a very inclusive festival. Man kasing ngirang ti nipet ke ni filter ki ba biang ki balong credible ti ngibo ba for festival ki ba especially ki ba perform original music. We're not promoting cover artists. We are promoting artists that are genuine in their art, who are serious about their music and their career, and ki ba ranjing vai ki ba ki sap ajong ki promote ki music artists. Kila pun ha. Ngilingi biang katu ka rai kalong kumni ba ngila li kendo ya kasnong la khat ni te karai kalong nomor ba kidan ki mani hajan ti Khnang ba ka PA system jumi kanan interfere bat ka jing ya di same state ti lara dengan pensang no dalawai lagi je same crowd. Oh kadang ka choir contest tu menta ngila ada jet kila apply ki choir ki bopon na sejuai national style na sama kroat na yo bon na podi bhai ti nak kini ki apply baro kidan kum somehow ki choir bala apply ngila ada jet samtli tingin sa palat pa ba na try mata sawan ko tiyo palat pa king choir ki ki wan nei ti ka finals kan lo ha tu bas ni Sunday ni na ba kumbangila program ya festival kan umba